Now that we've covered search engines and keywords, let's talk about how to build your page content around these targeted keywords. The purpose of keywords in your page's content is to tell the search engine the context of your page and how it's the most relevant to what the consumer is searching. Each page of your site should have robust and unique content that also includes the targeted keywords. As we covered in the last lesson, the more popular the keyword, the harder it is to rank, and high ranking is what it's all about, right? While all of this is important, don't forget our customer-first approach. You want your content to not only use the voice of the customer, but make sure it's something that people care about. If the consumer doesn't care about your content, there isn't a keyword in the world that's going to drive them to your site. A challenge we often hear within a marketing team is breaking down the silos and working across all departments. Now, this is especially important with content creation and SEO. Now, whether you're a content writer or an SEO expert, when it comes to building content for an SEO marketing strategy, it's important to do this with the right team. It's much easier to create content around an SEO strategy as opposed to trying to SEO your existing content. It's not impossible, just challenging, and why make anything harder than they need to be? Now, break down these silos and communicate early and often. As we've covered, a SERP is the search engine results page, and this is where Google will produce all relevant information in the appropriate ranking for what has been searched. As the goal of SEO is to improve your page's search engine ranking, it's important to understand the landscape of a SERP, how results differ by query, and how to analyze your content and keywords to best rank. With universal results such as answer boxes, photo carousels, and more, it's important to pay attention and analyze what queries bring up different results. SERP analysis is the process of analyzing the top web pages that rank for a certain keyword or topic. SEO and marketing professionals need this information to understand the potential difficulty of ranking in SERP. There are several reasons you would want to perform a SERP analysis, especially if you aren't seeing your page rank in the first page or you continue to see your competitors rank over you. Let's walk through an easy way to perform a SERP analysis. Select a certain keyword that you have been targeting, open up Google Incognito, and enter search into the search bar. What is the SERP displaying? Are you ranking? What is the tone? The tone of a SERP page 1 results can also help let you know if you are targeting the correct words. If you are a B2B organization and all of SERP 1 results are publishers, you may consider bulking up your blog and early stage content. There are platforms like Conductor Searchlight that allow you to take a deeper dive into SERP analysis with features like result types. Result types will show the user what is appearing in SERP and how content should be optimized in order to rank for a certain keyword. You will also be able to determine if the keyword is even worth targeting based on if it's appearing on page 1. If you are finding that you are not ranking, it's probably time to evaluate your keywords and analyze your page's content. Content analysis is an important step to ensure that your pages are continuing to perform as desired. As a content marketer, you could release new content that is incredibly successful but then begins to fizzle. Make sure there is a plan in place to regularly check your results and traffic numbers to continue to improve. In Lesson 9, we will review metrics to monitor and test in order to show your SEO strategies. An important factor of content analysis is understanding if your page needs to be optimized or re-optimized. A few factors that will indicate if your page needs to be optimized or re-optimized are: is it not ranking in the top 3 results? Is it ranking in top 3 but not on page 1? If something is ranking on page 2, that is a good opportunity to optimize as it's low-hanging fruit to get you onto page 1. Is it ranking well and receiving organic traffic? Is it not generating a universal result? Indicators you can optimize an existing page are: is there a page on my site that targets the same keyword? Do a site search keyword to see if any pages show up. You want to ensure you are building content across your page in a variety of ways. Google will pick up content beyond the meat of your page and will pull from titles and headers. Make sure you are utilizing all possible content locations to improve your potential SERP ranking within all available results. Create content around every potential universal result. The more opportunities to Google for it to find you, the better. Just as it's important from SERP perspective to have quality content, if your page is not technically healthy, search engines will not be able to access that incredible content. As Conductor's SEO expert Pat Reinhardt says, content is like the foundation of a home. Without it, the house won't stand. All the content in the world won't matter if your foundation isn't working. Check out our quick marketing tip on the importance of building content with SEO involvement, brought to you by one of Conductor's content marketing experts. And then join us for the next lesson on technical SEO.